Tell myself I'll take it slow, but I jump the light and never know why I'm running straight into the things I should avoid. Guess I only learn from noise. Every warning sounds the same, like a voice I can't retain. I'm the kind that only gets it once it hurts a little. I feel the consequences, still believe them. Learning by collision, not by reason. I don't change, I hit the pavement. Never listen, only learn when I'm breaking. That's the way I'm built, I guess. Crash first, understand it next. People try to pull me back, but I move too fast to stay on track. I need the bruise before I see the point they're trying to make. Every last mistakes this claim, every warning sounds the same, like a voice I can't retain. Yeah, I'm the kind who only gets it once it hurts a little. I feel the consequences, still believe them. Learning by collision, not by reason. I don't change, I hit the pavement. Never listen, only learn when I'm breaking. That's the way I'm built, I guess. Crash first, understand it next. Maybe someday I'll slow down, but right now I'm fine for the fallout. Only know the truth as it knocks me off my